Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
HP Instant Ink cartridges are designed to stop working the moment your subscription ends. This happens because the printer communicates with servers to verify your account status. Once you cancel the plan, the printer locks the cartridges electronically. You cannot simply keep using the ink left inside them even if the tanks are full. This feels like a waste, but it is part of the digital contract you signed. To use your printer again, you must first remove the Instant Ink cartridges. You need to replace them with standard retail cartridges bought from a local store. Some people try to bypass this lock by resetting the printer to factory settings. However, modern firmware updates usually block this specific trick. Another method involves replacing the internal chip on the cartridge itself. This is very difficult and often breaks the cartridge entirely. You could also try a third-party chip resetter tool, but these are hard to find for specific Instant Ink models. Most users find that these technical workarounds are not worth the effort or risk. The simplest way to regain control of your printer is to perform a full factory reset and then install brand new, non-subscription ink. Make sure you disconnect the printer from the internet during the setup process to avoid automatic updates. This prevents the printer from checking for a subscription status right away. If you want to avoid this issue in the future, consider switching to a printer that does not use a subscription model. Buying ink upfront gives you full ownership of the product. Remember that these cartridges remain the company's property.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.